Hello and welcome. I'm Trip. Welcome to a special video. I'm very excited to say that I finally made it to 1,000 subscribers. I know it's not a big deal or a huge number or a lot of people, but it's a start. It's a beginner milestone, something I've been trying to get to for a few years. So I just want to say thanks to everybody who has watched, commented, subscribed, and special thanks to these guys for pushing me over that 1,000 mark. But since it's a milestone, what should we do today? What's some fun we can get into? Well, we really can't do anything fun with you, but you're big party people. So I was thinking maybe I can do a burnout in something. That'd be quick and easy. Series all drive, so that probably won't be fun. The van is rear wheel drive, but it's big, heavy, and don't want to break my other house. Miata has big chunky tires on it. Well, I could swap the tires. Or I can do it in the Lotus. I mean, it's not doing anything right now. And I have a spare set of wheels and tires I could throw on it. But it is one wheel peel. It's open diff, so it's not going to be exciting. Okay, the idea is to do it Aussie style, which is indoors. So I'm going to do it in the carport. I have these tires, wheels and tires. This is what this car came with. I'm going to throw those on. And since the concrete is kind of brittle, I don't want it to melt and flake up. I have these street signs, which might even do pieces of wood on top of it to add a little bit more flair.
What could possibly go wrong, eh?
Okay, I got the back wheels swapped out, got my wood, my metal laid out. I did let the car run for a while, so the engine is nice and hot. So I'm not gonna do this cold. So let's give it a try.
Still, could be worse.
Well, that didn't work out. So maybe go to plan B. Okay, let's go before someone gets upset. This place was trashed already. Well, plan B definitely worked a lot better than plan A, but sometimes you gotta break a few eggs and fail to learn something. So doing donuts on wood and metal, bad idea. Just gonna sling it out. I know it wasn't the most exciting burnout you've ever seen, but it was fun nonetheless. I could have kept on going and going. These tires do have plenty of tread left on them, but I don't want to break the car since this thing is for sale still. So if you want a really, really cool, fun toy, this could be yours. I did make sure the engine was warm. I didn't bounce it off the rev limiter. You know, it's pretty easy on it. So now the original plan was to jump the Miata. But I drove around for about an hour, just all over the place, close by. I just could not find anywhere where I could do it. That was kind of hidden, or was getting in trouble, or piss people off, or get arrested. So maybe I'll save that for another one. But if that's something you would possibly like to see, let me know. Leave a comment, and maybe we can make it to the next milestone where I can do something like that. Jumping out would be kind of fun. Might break my back. But I want to say thanks for everybody to support me over the years. And it's only going to get better from here. I can only go up. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And if you want to see more, check out my other videos. But until next time, peace out.